pyramid. Very interesting design.
Yo ho ho ho.
All right, Titanic too.
All right, paradise for me. No.
Roses are red, violets are blue.
We're gonna win the Titanic too.
And Pool Master 3000.
5,000.
5,000.
Pool Master 5,000. You know what you're doing. Pool Master 5,000. You know what you got. Pool Master 5,000. Give me all you got. Yeah, we're gonna win.
Okay, and Paradise Pyramid. What have you got for us?
Yo ho ho ho, it's paradise for me. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, that thing's true. Go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pool Master. Wow! Thanks.
I can't believe it immediately came. We didn't even get
it didn't even, like, the second it touched the water, it was just like...
What happened? It fell apart on you. Boys, you got close.
I know we did. It's all good. Oh well, better luck next time.
Did you have fun? That's
I
the
did.
question.
We had a blast.
However, the grand prize for speed and nautical design has to go to Pool Master 5,000.